Excel's merge feature allows you to combine several cells into one cell. This is very useful when you want to organize headers in your data. I want to add over here a title that says Weekly Transactions. I am going to create a heading that spans several columns. So I'm going to go to Home, Alignment. I'm going to click on Merge and Center. And as you can see, several cells are combined into one to create my header. Now let's merge and center cells J25 to L25. I'm going to hit Shift and I'm going to go to Home and I'm going to go to Alignment. I'm going to select Merge and Center and voila, it's all in one cell. Speaking of headers, you can change the way the data appears in a cell by rotating the angle of your font or by altering the alignment of your text. To do that, select the cell and under Home, Alignment, hit Orientation, and Excel gives you a set of options. You can rotate your text clockwise, counterclockwise, up, down, or you can even align your text vertically. You can also rotate to a specific angle. So if you select Format Cell Alignment, you see that here you can choose the number of degrees to rotate your cell. Positive numbers are going to rotate your text upward, while negative numbers are going to rotate your cell downwards. I'm going to hit Cancel and I'm going to go back to the instructions that ask us to rotate the contents in cell J1 to a counterclockwise angle and to rotate the contents in cell K1 to a clockwise angle.